Karyans, let's be real. How many tabs are open on your screens right now? And how many tasks are you juggling at this very moment? When you have told multitasking makes you efficient. But what if in reality it is the silent thief of your energy and focus? Modern work glorifies multitasking, answering messages while thinking about the next meeting, while half listening to someone speak. But the Vedas teach when the mind is divided, prana, that is your life energy, scatters. And where energy scatters, excellence disappears. The more you split your attention, the more your inner calm and clarity fades. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, Dgvg, your Vedic to-do list coach and the founder of Karya Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks, where we rise and grow 1% every day the Vedic way. The Rig Veda speaks of Ekagrata, the power of single-pointed attention. It says, Manasa Satyam, truth is the found only through a focused mind. Here is how you can practice Ekagrata in the modern day. Point number one karma at a time. Before starting a task, make the small intention. Finish it complete before shifting. Point number two, prana tracking. Notice where your energy feels pulled, screen, noise, or overthinking. Withdraw gently and return to the task at hand. Point number three, Mauna minutes. Spend 2 minutes in silence after completing a task. Let your mind breathe before beginning the next. The Vedic truth is simple: one focused hour is more powerful than 10 distracted ones. So, today, Karyans, drop the myth of multitasking, choose presence over pressure, and watch how your focus deepens, your pace slows, but your results multiply. Because true productivity is not about doing more, it's about being fully there. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind. Don't forget to join the community Karya Productivity Hub.